If you want to make a lasting change into your life, then habits are the way to go. In this video, I'll share a super simple and effective method called Don't Break the Chain. If you're a super ambitious person, willing to learn, grow and improve, consider subscribing. The idea is to pick few habits you want to work on and try to do them daily. First, write out a list of all the habits you want to implement in your life. Then choose the 5 must-have habits from that list. When you pick the habits, ask yourself why for each one of them. If you don't have a good why, there is no point to make it a habit. Here are some great habits you can implement in your life. Learning for a set period of time, exercise, journaling, reading, meditation, visualizations, affirmations, and the list goes on. Okay, so now you have a list with 5 must-have habits. The next step is to take an empty sheet of paper and put the name of the month at top with dates and the 5 habits on the left. For each day you do the habit, you put a mark, and with that you extend the chain. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, which will release dopamine, the feel-good hormone. And our brains love to repeat actions that lead to dopamine. Make sure to put the sheet with the habits someplace where you will see it all the time, to act as a constant reminder. Many of the things are super simple to do, but we simply just forget, so definitely do this. Also, this method works great because our human desire to prevent loss is much greater than our desire to gain something. If you don't complete the habit for the day, you'll lose your streak. And after spending so much time and effort, I bet you don't want that to happen. There were days when I didn't want to do some habit, but I didn't want to break the chain as well, so I did the thing anyway. The goal is to keep the streak alive and be consistent, so you'll do the thing every day. This is a little psychology trick, but it definitely helps a lot. If you break the chain, just start a new one the next day and try to make it longer than the previous one. By the way, be specific with your habit. Make it as a SMART goal. If you don't know what a SMART goal is, see my video on that topic as well. Pick the minimum amount of work done that counts as a completed habit. I usually put a set amount of time for which I must work to count the habit as completed. For example, I want to start a new channel, so one of my goals is to record a 15-minute video every single day. This way I will improve my English and I will get good in front of the camera. Try to do the thing the same time every day. Mornings can be a great time to practice this because you have full control of your time. I love this method because it also helps me to relax when I work on huge projects that can't be completed at once, because I know that each day I get closer to the finish. So I use it as a productivity hack as well.